Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Volt Continuous Duty Solenoid Relay. This replacement Volt Continuous Duty Solenoid Relay works on EZGO 36 volt electric golf carts from 1986 and up, Yamaha Electric G2, and Marathon TXT series carts. What a volt continuous duty solenoid does is this activates your ignition system on your electric golf cart. Using a 4-terminal heavy-duty solenoid, this converts the electrical energy to mechanical energy to start the generator and get you moving. So, if you're having engagement issues, this might be the problem. While this volt continuous duty solenoid relay is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the factory design and mounting locations. New washers and nuts are included for this install. Installation of this replacement volt continuous duty solenoid relay is easy, as you could find the part by simply lifting up the seat and looking on the passenger side near the battery. However, before installing this part, make sure you follow these nice printed instructions and double check you took off the negative battery cable. If you have any questions about this replacement volt continuous duty solenoid relay, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.